Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in the previous class, we discussed about fractions. Am I correct, children? And we discussed about like fractions. So, what are the like fractions, children? Like fraction means same denominators. Okay, when we compare two or more fractions, the fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Okay, when we compare more than two fractions, the two fractions are more than two fractions are having same denominators. Okay, here you have to observe 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, children. Here denominators same, so these are like fractions. Okay, if the denominators are same means these are like fractions. So can we discussed another unit fraction also, children. So what is unit fraction? Unit fraction means the fraction with numerator is 1. Okay, the fraction with numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. Okay, the fraction with numerator is 1 is called unit fraction, and we learnt already how to compare unit fraction, children. Okay, when we compare two unit fractions, the fraction with bigger the fraction with bigger denominator is smaller fraction, and the fraction with smaller denominator is bigger fraction. Okay, children, when we compare unit fractions, okay, if we observe these three are unit fractions, am I correct? Why these are unit fractions? Here 1 is numerator, so these three are unit fractions. Okay, when we compare unit fractions, the fraction with bigger denominator is smaller. For example, here 5 is bigger denominator. Now this is smaller fraction, and the fraction with smaller denominator is bigger fraction. Okay, so now everyone open page number 27, which write the fraction of the colored part in each shape. So first count the number of parts colored, children. 1, 2, 3. So how many parts colored here? 3. So out of, don't count only remaining, children, you have to count total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here totally this shape is made by 6 parts. Out of 6, 3 only colored, and here out of 6, 5 parts colored, and here out of 6, 2 only colored. So here observe, children, 3 by 6, 5 by 6, 2 by 6. So here denominator same means what are these fractions, children? These all are like fractions. Okay, these all are like fractions. Why? Because here the denominator same. Now next, children, compare the fractions and arrange them in ascending order. Okay, when we compare like fractions, the fraction with bigger numerator is bigger fraction. Okay, the fraction with bigger numerator is greater fraction. So compare the fractions and arrange them in ascending order. Means first you have to write smaller fraction. 2 by 6 less than 3 by 6 less than 5 by 6. Okay, 2 by 6 less than 3 by 6 less than 5 by 6. Ascending order. No, when we compare like fractions, the fraction with smaller numerator is smaller fraction, and the bigger numerator is greater fraction. Now addition and subtraction of like fractions. So now we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, the spice box in Danya's kitchen is divided into 4 parts. Okay, spice box in Danya's kitchen is divided into 4 parts, means it is spice box. Danya helped her mother by filling mustard seeds and gram dal in 2 of its parts. Okay, here total it is made of 4 parts. No, in this she filled with mustard seeds. One part filled with mustard seed and another part filled with gram dal. Okay, so now represent this is in fraction, children. Total how many parts are here? 4. So out of 4, 2 only filled. Now means it is 2 by 4. Okay, out of 4, 2 filled. So it's 2 by 4. Danya's mother filled another pot with red chilies as shown. Okay, means here already filled two. No, next again Danya's mother filled another pot with red chilies. Okay, these are red chilies, children. Okay, now what fraction of the box is filled now? What fraction of the box is filled now, children? So first out of 4, 2 filled means it is 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4 plus, and again Danya's mother filled with red chilies, no children. So means it is out of 4 she filled again 1 means 1 by 4. So now add, children. So how to add like fractions? If we add like fractions, first you have to add numerators of the two fractions. Okay, add numerators. 2 plus 1. Okay, these are numerators. No, 2 plus 1. Here the denominator is common, same 4. No, so write denominator 4. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. Okay, children. So how to add like fraction? So first add the numerators by denominator. Okay, sum of the numerators by denominator. Okay, sum of the numerators by denominator. Okay, here 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. Okay, so total what fraction of the box filled, children? Out of 4, 3 filled. No, it's 3 by 4. Okay, it's 3 by 4. Next, Danya's brother accidentally split some water in the pot that has in the red chilies. Okay, Danya's brother accidentally splits water in the pot of red chilies. Okay, red chilies ఉన్న దాంట్లో water పోసాడు. Danya's mother now has removed the red chilies from the tray. Okay, so now here Danya's mother wants to remove red chilies from the pot. What portion of the tray is filled now? So first, what is the fraction of the pot filled, children? So first, totally this tray is filled with gram dal, mustard seed and chilies. Am I correct, children? So out of 4, 3 parts filled. Okay, so 3 by 4. And then next, she brother accidentally split water. No, so here she wants to remove red chilies. So red chilies, what is the part of the red chilies, children? So red chilies is filled in one pot. Am I correct? Red chilies filled with one pot. Out of 4, 1 only filled. So now here do subtraction, children. So subtract the numerators first. 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay, if you add means you have to add the numerators, and subtraction of like fraction means you have to subtract numerators. 3 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. Okay, children. So once again I am repeating here. So first actually 3 by 4 part of the tray filled. Okay, in that next her brother accidentally split water. No, so here her mother wants to remove red chilies. So what is the part of the red chilies? Red chilies filled with one pot only. No, so 1 by 4 out of 4 parts. No, so 3 minus 1 by 4. Next, to add or subtract like fractions, add or subtract the numerators, write the total or difference over the common denominator. I said no, children, I given sum of the numerators. You have to add numerators and write common denominator. Here the denominator is common. Now these are write the common denominator. Here also same, you have to subtract, find the difference, and the next write the common denominator. Next, a bread loaf is cut into 12 equal pieces. Meenu has taken 7 pieces and Somu has taken 3 pieces. So total how many pieces he made equally, children? 12 pieces. In that Meenu taken 7 pieces. Fraction taken by Meenu. So Meenu taken 7 parts out of how many parts total, children? Out of 12 she taken 7, and out of 12 Somu taken 3, means it is 3 by 12. Okay, it is 3 by 12. Find the total fraction of the bread taken by Meenu and Somu. Okay, find the total fraction of bread taken by Meenu and Somu. To find the total fraction of the bread taken by Minu and Somu in the, to me what we have to do children, so how to find total? Here Minu taken 7/12 portion of the cake and Somu taken 3/12 portion of the bread. So now what we have to do children, so how to find total? So to find the total fraction of the bread taken by Minu and Somu, add the two fractions. Okay, add the two fractions. So here given 7/12 plus 3/12. So now how to find children? So listen, first what we have to do, add the numerator. So what are the numerators? 7 plus 3. So common denominator 12. Okay, now 7 plus 3 is 10/12. So total Minu and Somu ate 10/12 portion of the cake. Okay children, out of this Minu and Somu ate 10/12 portion of the cake. Now second one, find out how much more bread Minu has taken than Somu. So in this, who is ate more bread children? So here first Minu ate 7 pieces, no, so means Minu ate. So to find out how much more Minu has taken than Somu, dash we have. So how to find children? Here you have to subtract. Okay, here you have to do subtract. So if you subtract 7/12 minus 3/12 to get how much more bread ate by Minu. Okay children, if you do subtraction to get how much more bread ate by Minu. Okay children, this is you have to do, this is your homework, just you have to do subtraction and find the answer. And complete 9b in companion children. Compare the fractions and fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or is equal to. Okay, so first here 1/5 and 4/5. So observe, these are like fractions or not? Yes, these are like fractions. So when we compare like fractions, the fractions with smaller numerator is smaller. So you are given first 1 and 4. So 1 is smaller. Now children, you have to place less than symbol. Okay children, like that you have to complete 9b also. Okay, this is about today's class children. Thank you, have a nice day.